My name is Andrew Istvan. I am the former owner of K&Y Manufacturing, located in Canton, Michigan. K&Y has been in business since 1948. When the company, such as Graff-Pinkert, knows both the buyer and the seller, it was a fit, a great fit. And that made all the difference in the world because they knew our desires and they knew the company purchasing K&Y. They knew that they were looking, and they put the two together just perfectly. You've been in the business all these years, know and have a great wealth of knowledge of your customers. That was very helpful. And know each almost individual stories of buyers and sellers. So that was a nice fit for us.